Hi foodies, welcome back to my channel. We're making the ultimate American street snack today, which is corn dogs. Now this recipe is so easy to make. I'm going to walk you through on how to create this perfect snack. You're going to boil your hot dogs for a few minutes and pat dry it, so it's going to soften inside and crispy outside. So pat dry it and set it aside. We're going to get a bowl, add 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of cornmeal, the yellow cornmeal please. So I'm going to drop all the ingredients I use in the description link. Don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post a new recipe. Now I'm going to walk you through how to make a perfect crispy hot dogs. I added rice flour to get a crispier, to get a flaky texture on the outside. So now you go ahead and add all the dry ingredients, mix it in properly. After mixing it in properly, we're going to go ahead and set this aside. We'll be creating a batter with this. We're going to mix our wet ingredients on a different bowl. Then we're going to now mix everything together. Just keep watching and you see how I'm going to walk you through this. It's so easy. I added milk, egg and vegetable oil. You also be needing vegetable oil to fry your corn dogs. So mix this properly. After mixing it, we're going to create a batter with this. We're going to be mixing the wet and the dry ingredients. This doesn't take time for sure. In a few minutes you're done. So you're going to just mix it up and we're good to go. You can take this for breakfast, serve as lunch, can serve as snacks for you. Whatever you want to do with this, you need sticks. I use skewers and make sure you were able to dip it. Coat it with the batter. After coating it with the batter, we'll add it to the hot oil. To the hot oil, I also added onion just to give it a little flavor. So if you don't have onion, it's okay. You're going to still get a very perfect crispy hot dog and corn dog. I don't know why I keep saying hot dog, so because we're using hot dog. So we're going to fry this for 3 minutes and it's going to be ready. Yes, after 3 minutes it's going to turn golden brown and it's going to cook properly, so don't be scared. So thanks for watching guys, thanks for staying by. Don't forget to like this video, okay, and don't forget to subscribe so you can enjoy more of such recipes. See you next time. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.